Hello users! In this video, we will show you how to create questions in our platform using artificial intelligence. After you have created a new quiz, we just need to add questions. At this point, we can choose to create questions manually or use artificial intelligence. For this video, we will use AI. We start by choosing the number of questions we'd like generated from 1 to 5, and the type of question. In this case, we will choose open answer. Next, we need to create the prompt to provide to the AI to generate the questions. To get the best possible results, it's important to make the prompt as specific as possible. Ensure we clearly define the math topic we want to cover, set the difficulty level, and add constraints regarding variables and possible answers. In this case, we will prompt the AI to create questions where students need to solve linear equations with one variable. We can also specify that the coefficients must be integers and that the answer must be simplified. We click Generate and wait for the AI to provide suggested questions. We can then preview these questions, and we see that the first question asks us to find the value of x when 7x minus 10 equals 4, which is 2. We verify that the question works as expected and accept the question so that it becomes available in our quiz. As you can see, all suggestions are waiting for approval from the content creator. We can also modify parts of the question, such as adding a second answer. We can set it as the opposite sign, which would receive partial credit, along with an explanation indicating that the sign is incorrect. We can preview the question again to see the result. -4 is correct, and +4 receives partial credit and feedback. If we're happy with this, we can accept it. If the result isn't what we want for any reason, we can simply delete the question. Now, our quiz is ready to share with colleagues or with our students. If we want to add new questions to our quiz, we can use the Add Question button to generate new content, either manually or using artificial intelligence.